Hey guys, what's going on? I'm so excited to be back with you today to talk about something that I think is really important, the safety of using Venmo. Venmo is a great app for sending and receiving money to friends and family. It's easy to use, and it's a great way to split bills or pay for things like dinner or drinks. However, there are some security risks that you should be aware of. Main content. Security risks associated with Venmo. Venmo is not FDIC insured. This means that your money is not protected by the federal government in the event that Venmo goes bankrupt. Venmo does not have two-factor authentication. This means that anyone who has access to your phone or email can log into your account and send or receive money. Venmo does not offer fraud protection. This means that if you send money to someone who scams you, you will not be able to get your money back. How to stay safe when using Venmo. Only send money to people you know and trust. Be careful about sharing your Venmo username and password. Enable two-factor authentication on your Venmo account. Use Venmo's business account if you are using it for business purposes. Report any suspicious activity to Venmo. Alternatives to Venmo. PayPal. PayPal is a more established and trusted payment platform than Venmo. It offers a variety of features, including buyer protection and two-factor authentication. Cash App. Cash App is another popular payment app. It offers similar features to Venmo, but it also has a higher limit for sending and receiving money. Zelle. Zelle is a free payment app that is offered by many banks. It is a great option if you want to send money to someone who has a bank account at a different bank. Venmo is a great app for sending and receiving money, but it is important to be aware of the security risks associated with it. By following the tips in this video, you can help to protect yourself from fraud and other scams. If you have any questions about Venmo or any other payment app, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.